of the important milestones leading to this idea of pedagogy was that when I email my students at university, I always greet them as esteemed students. And for some reason, it got into my head the first time I emailed the learners in Rheingold U, I greeted them as esteemed co-learners. And very quickly learned that that's a very powerful piece of word magic, that people are ready for that, or at least the people who are self-selecting for this kind of course. So I've done 7 or 8 versions of courses on Rheingold U and have learned from each one, but the strongest learning was that people take this co-learning very seriously. So when we do the live sessions, I put up on the whiteboard a set of roles and also invite people to invent their own roles. So while we are doing a live session like this one, we've also got a lot of action going on with people using search and finding relevant links and putting them into the text chat, and other people contextualizing that the way a blogger does, picking out a snippet from the selected resource and maybe giving a 1 or 2 line summary of it. Then the summarizers taking notes on the whole session and taking the URLs that the searchers find and the contextualizers add context to and adding that to a summary. The curators moving some of those to Digo and Delicious. And then we've got a lexicon team. And the mind map team are people who keep in mind what are the top level categories. Then we do something with the whiteboard that's kind of a magical spell for particularly the first time, in that I ask people to use the whiteboard